Ladies and gentlemen, everyone wants to know how to make $10,000 a month as a student. The problem is, there's a lot of misinformation and oversimplified advice out there. Today, I'm going to break down the 3 key components you need to focus on to realistically achieve this goal. First and foremost, you need the right vehicle. By this, I mean an opportunity that is both big enough to reach $10,000 in one, but not so risky that you could lose everything. Let me be clear, trading is not the answer. Many traders are incentivized by your losses. They make money when you lose. Turning $1,000 into $10,000 or $20,000 in a year for trading is extremely difficult. Instead, you should consider starting a lean online business. While you might not hit hundreds of thousands in your first year, making tens of thousands by year-end is very achievable, and you'll likely surpass the average salary of a traditional 9-to-5 job, all while enjoying the flexibility of remote work. The key is to find a business model that generates free cash flow, profit that you can actually use. Many people get caught up in net worth, but what matters most is having cash on hand. You don't want all your money tied up in assets like in property or an e-commerce business with high reinvestment needs. For example, if you run a business with a 50% margin, much of your profit might go back into inventory, leaving you cash poor despite having a high revenue business. Service-based businesses are often better for generating consistent, usable cash flow. Whether you're offering digital marketing services, creating short-form content, or managing Google Ads, your service must either have a high perceived value to clients or high leverage. High perceived value means clients see your service as worth the price they pay, making them willing to spend thousands a month. High leverage means you can scale your business by hiring others, allowing you to manage multiple clients or projects while others do the heavy lifting. For example, if you're an online personal trainer, you might need to hire other coaches to work under you. Or, if you run a YouTube thumbnail design agency, you could hire designers from countries where $1,000 a month is a great salary, but the output could generate several times that amount for your business. This leverage allows you to scale without burning out. Now let's talk about expectations. Social media has created unrealistic standards. Years ago, making $4,000 a month with location freedom would have been seen as an incredible achievement. But now many feel inadequate if they're not making $10,000 a month, especially with the freedom that comes from online businesses. I was able to reach $10,000 a month at a young age, but that journey took time. I started my first side hustle in 2014, and it took 3 years of hard work to hit that milestone. With the resources and opportunities available today, your timeline could be shorter, but even if it takes years, that's okay. It's important to set your expectations over years, not months. Finally, once you reach $10,000 a month, maintaining that level is the real challenge. Achieving it is just the beginning. You'll need to make $10,000 your financial baseline, your new normal. This baseline is not your goal. It's the minimum you expect to make, and anything less will feel wrong. Once you submit this baseline, you can focus on growing further. Remember, the business that gets you to $10,000 a month might not be the one that makes you a millionaire, but it's an essential step. As you progress, your financial baseline will rise, and so will your potential. The journey from making a few $1,000s a month to tens of thousands and eventually more is about building, maintaining, and continually elevating your financial identity. In summary, focus on finding the right vehicle, setting realistic timelines, and understanding that maintaining success is as important as achieving it. I hope this has been helpful, and remember, I'm rooting for you.